Gold has been considered a store of value for thousands of years, and many beginners choose it as a way to diversify their investments. But how do you start investing in gold? First, decide your goal. Are you looking to protect your savings from inflation, preserve wealth over the long term, or simply diversify your portfolio? Knowing your goal will help you choose the right type of gold investment. For beginners, one of the easiest ways is to buy physical gold, such as gold coins or small gold bars from reputable dealers. Always check the purity and authenticity before making a purchase. Another option is investing in gold exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These funds track the price of gold and allow you to invest without storing physical metal. Before investing, set a budget and avoid spending money you may need in the short term. Gold prices can rise and fall, so it is important to think long-term rather than trying to make quick profits. Many financial experts suggest keeping gold as a small part of a diversified portfolio instead of putting all your money into a single asset. Remember, successful investing starts with research, patience, and a clear plan. Gold can be a valuable tool for protecting wealth when used wisely. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Metal 999 for more content about gold, silver, rare coins, and precious metals.